Hello everybody, my name is Nikki and I'm going to show you guys how to create a graduation lei. I made a graduation lei last year and it was a braided ribbon with a couple of accessories that you can put on top. I'll put a link in the description down below. If you guys want to know how to make it like that, you'll have that option. To get started, what you're going to need is you're going to need some ribbon. You're going to need some pieces of paper that are cut in the exact dimensions of your dollar bills, and you're going to need some beads. So let's get started. For the ribbon, you're going to want to do this. It always depends on how much dollar bills you're willing to put on the graduation lei, but this is how I measure it out. So you want to take the ribbon and you're going to want to put both ends together, wring it out a little bit. Here's the loop end, here's the two ends. I put it on as if it's already a graduation lei, and I just kind of measure it out to about the belly button. If you have more dollar bills that you want to put on there, then by all means make it longer, but for the most part I usually start at the belly button. So we will start there.
So to get started, you want to make sure that you have your papers all cut out. I used a straight cutter and I'm going to show you guys how to fold these into little accordion circles.
Okay, so I'm going to stop right here. This is what it looks like after 30 accordion circles. And you can see there's beads in between them, just as little spacers. Sometimes I'll stop here and I'll put it like this. Just thread it through like that. And then just tie a little knot. And then you can have it hang like this. Or you can keep going all the way around, but I'm just showing you guys what it looks like after 30 accordion circles. I used 10 single bills and I used 20 colored papers. But just keep in mind that if you keep going, some of these accordion circles are going to be sitting on the back of the neck whenever it's being worn. So I usually like to leave a little bit of string space on the back so that these don't get ruined whenever it's sitting on the back of the neck. But again, completely up to you. You can choose to stop at 30 or you can continue on all the way through to the end. I'm going to continue on so that I can show you guys how it looks when it's full.